Boya BY-M1 is an omnidirectional lavaliere microphone. It is designed for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders etc. Get full clear audio coverage with Omni pickup pattern. It absolutely gives you the possibility to capture anything in your sight. Boya mics come with an integrated 20-foot cable with universal 3.5mm 4-pole gold plug. Easily connect your mic directly to smartphones and most of other cameras. Audio cable is extraordinarily 6 meters long. However, that's a great plus point. The long wire makes recording much easier and hassle-free. This omnidirectional Cavalier condenser microphone is easy to use. Plug the O cable in the O port of your device and starting speaking. No hassle to clip it. Just clip the mic on your outfit and start recording your voice. This omnidirectional lavaliere condenser microphone is small in size and light in weight. Its compact size makes it convenient to carry anywhere you want in your pocket. Get super sound quality for presentations and audio recorders. High quality condenser is ideal for video use and low handling noise. Package contents: 1 Boya omnidirectional lavaliere condenser microphone with 20 feet audio cable, 1 lapel clip, 1 foam windscreen, 1 1/4 adapter, 1 LR44 battery and 1 English user's manual.